Hi everyone, my name is Naomi Sylvester, and today we are going to be looking into water use across 10 different institutions, one of them being The Ohio State University. As you can tell, I decided to use three different graphs because I felt as though one did not communicate well enough the different factors that go into calculating risk. Um, Water use is so important in these different areas of where these institutions are found. There's different risks associated with just geographical area. As you can see, I included Arizona State. Arizona is known for their water quantity issues. Um, so I just decided to dive in and look into the different risks associated with water use per institution. Um, Population of these different campuses are crucial in calculating risk. As you can see, Louisiana State University has a very small population, which also, you can see that they actually use more water than University of Pittsburgh, which has nearly double um, the amount of campus users. So it's very interesting to look into, especially just water quality, water quantity issues. It was very interesting to learn about. I appreciate the efforts made by each of these institutions. As you can see, the percentage reduction of potable water use per campus user. Um, it it's really impressive to see even bronze credited institution making strides to decrease the amount of water period that they're using. um, you can tell that institutions are taking water use um, very seriously. So it was very interesting to look into, and thank you for listening. Hope you have a great day.